everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video will be a really short and silly process video of me making a new sticker for my Etsy shop. If anyone's interested in a more in-depth sticker tutorial, I'd be happy to make one another day. Anyways, on to the video. Starting off, I'm using Clip Studio Paint and my old Wacom tablet. I've had this tablet for quite a few years and it is literally falling apart. Like, look at that wire. At first, I wasn't sure what I wanted to do for this sticker, but then it dawned on me: a penguin eating fries. It took me a few hours to sketch, draw, and color this design. Like, I redrew the penguin shape so many times before I got it right. I didn't even record the coloring because I just didn't have the space for that. Once I finished the design, I added a border, saved it, and opened it in Cricut Design Space. After that, I printed it, laminated, and put it to cut. After it finished cutting, I took out the mat and realized I made a huge mistake. You see, you're supposed to calibrate your Cricut after every update, otherwise it won't cut properly. And guess who didn't calibrate her Cricut? Yep, I ended up with this, which doesn't look bad, but the border on the bottom got cut off. Obviously, I don't want to sell these on my Etsy, so I'll have to add them to my bag of B-grade stickers to sell at a discounted price in the future. After my first mistake, I calibrated my machine and ended up with something way worse. I don't know how, but what? No way I can sell these, so I'll have to figure out another use for them or maybe just throw them out. After my third calibration, I finally got the right cut. Like, don't these stickers look gorgeous? That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Definitely leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more.